G'day. I hear you're thinking about going to Noosa. Maybe to visit Noosa's famous national park. Let me give you a tip. From one mate to another. If you love Noosa as much as I do and want quality accommodation that represents great value for money, then look no further than noosa432.com.au. That's noosa432.com.au. Mate, they have beautiful, affordable accommodation that is centrally located in Hastings Street, less than a skip from everything Noosa has to offer. Now let me tell you something else. They're always looking after me. So what are you waiting for? Go visit them now. noosa432.com.au. Hey.